This video is for my students nga nagahibi na tungod super overwhelmed na sila sa ilang mga ulobrahon sa school, sa academics, kag sa extracurriculars. This video is for you. How I wish someone taught me this when I was in college. Di giguguro mo na ako overwhelmed sa college, but nobody taught me this. And if you're the kind of student who has so many things going on for yourself, like very active ka sa academics, tapos very active ka man sa extracurriculars, may social life ka pa, may mga activities ka pa outside school, and you're getting so overwhelmed now, nga dumahibi ka na, this video is for you. I'll teach you my productivity technique. This productivity technique allowed me to be so productive these days to the point that I feel so good about myself at the end of the day. So, quick sharing about my life right now. I'm a mom of two toddlers. I'm a I'm a teacher. I have three researches going on right now simultaneously. Tapos may gina-advisean pa kong nga thesis ang undergrad. I'm also handling two publications, isa ka academic research journal kag isa ka student publication. I also manage a blog, it's called Simplified Literature on Medium, tapos may YouTube channel pa. Then, may time pa ako mag-over videos. That on top of my wife responsibilities and other demands sa akong family, friends, and social life. So like you, I'm also overwhelmed. I also have a lot of roles to play and a lot of things to do every day from the moment I wake up until the end of the day. Of course, thankful kita, no? I'm always thankful that we have good health to be able to do these things. But at the end of the day, you just want to feel like you're very productive. You did everything you need to do and more, and to feel like you're growing, you're improving, and you're taking care of all aspects of your life, 'di ba? We want that feeling at the end of the day. So, here's my productivity technique. It took me 30 years, 3 decades of my life to learn and understand this, and I'm sharing this to you para ikaw man magets mo, and you won't suffer as long as I did. So I'm always feeling overwhelmed. Kag kun overwhelmed ko, um, I noticed that there's a change in my behavior for the bad. Kung overwhelmed ko, I tend to be evil and short in patience, which translates to me, ginaaway ko permi akong bana, ginaaking ako permi akong mga bata. I'm not a very good colleague. I'm not the fun. I don't laugh that much. I'm not even a fun sister or a fun daughter anymore. So, I don't want to be that negative